Jordan's better now.
Ito namang isang swimming lesson sa mababaw. Get our money back. Ayan o, inubos nila o. Sila yung umubos. Mount Hamat. Good morning.
Good morning. Achi Jordan's better now.
Ay, mas maraming tao today. Tapos yung pool, yung beach, low tide pa rin. Tara, punta tayo sa beach. Going to the beach, Jetro. Oh, mukha silang coconuts. Wait. Morning. I'm sure sila Ahmed Jerome went this way. Say good morning, man. Smile. Let's go.
Oh, banana boat. I'm not riding that.
Why?
I don't want to. Let's check.
Huh? Oh, take it off. Jetro, you might hit someone, ah. Be careful. Hmm?
You're making a pool.
Jetro, let's go to the swimming pool niya.
Come on, we're going to the pool. Stay there. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Come on, come on. Oh, let's go, Jetro. Come on.
Let's go to a pool near us.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, I want it to have fountain.
Okay. Tara. Tayo. May amoy yung kape. Ang bango. Yay! Konti lang tao kanina. Pero mas marami compared din sa first day. Si Jetro ayaw mag-floater kasi gusto makita under the water. Oh, sige.
Don't drink water, it's dirty.
Pasukin mo nga yan. Ah. May ano naman siya, may salpabida. Ah, okay. Sige to, Jerome, back na yan.
Sige, tawa-tawa. Makachamba ka ng makainom ka ng tubig. Tingnan ko lang. Oo nga. Ay, hindi. Nakaapak siya.
Dito, pupunta siya dito eh. Kasi umaahon naman.
I-show me nga, i-show me. Ayun na, nasa dark water siya. Kaya niyang mag-trading. Ay, hindi. Nakatapak.
Eh, dito wala.
Ah, wala.
Ito niya, umiikot siya, tapos babalik siya dito.
Galing naman.
Jetro's the Dilis.
City, malayo ah. Pag yan kinapos. Jordan, look after mans ha. Ito naman isa. Ito naman isang nag-swimming lesson sa mababaw. Get our money back. Bye-bye. No, there's not enough space. Get in doon, Jetro. Beside the luggage. Beside the luggage. Go, go, go. Yan. O, go. Goodbye. Going home today. There's a pug right there. Pug. Hello, baby. Bye. Bye. Feel na feel. Bye. Kala mo naman. F na F. Ay. See you, bye. maganda yung araw ngayon, ano? Bye, room! Oh, malinis na ulit. Parang walang nangyari. Parang niluto na sinigang sa loob, tsaka inihaw na pork chop. Bye, room! Bye! Hiya yarn. Yun, nakatingin na. Hello, baby Pogi! Asus! You're so pogi! Bye! Asus! Hello! Bye-bye! Haha, so cute! Marami rin silang room eh. Playground na walang pumansin. Bye! Bye! Siya nagkakarga na. Pit stop at Petron. Woo! For the win! Trophy namin. Ayan o, inubos niya lang o. Sila yung umubos, FYI. Kami tagahawak lang, sarap. Parking. Daming sasakyan, no?
Ito na.
Unless may slot sila. Sobrang dami.
Sinabi mo ba darating ako?
Pogi yan.
Oy. Ito mga to, lahat gustong umasa kasi na pipirma ako ng ng autograph today. Eh, hindi naman pwede.
Ilang steps na? Sino nagbilang? Ah, nice view! Ay, maganda picture dito. Go up! Up, up, up! Woohoo! We're up! Yay!
Yung cross sa taas pa eh.
Slide pa.
Grabe oh.
How do you even use that thing?
Mano-mano yan. Ayan na si Jetro.
How do you use that?
May nakalagay sa ilalim oh.
Ang dumi.
US property. Yan oh. US property. Mount 106mm rifle. M79.
Rifle.
It's a rifle.
Rifle.
Sobra tatatat yan, no?
Mommy, the correct pronunciation
Anong
is
natagay
rifle.
Kuya Ki?
Gusto ko rifle.
Hindi rifle yan.
Nakalagay doon, rifle.
Ano to eh? Tawag nito?
Ayan oh.
Yan o.
US property. Mount
Anong tawag nito?
Oh, rifle.
Mount 106mm rifle. M79.
M79 pero mortar to.
O, mali yun na nakalagay dyan. Tanggalin yan.
Ano, paghawak-hawak mo to, no?
Manginginig-ginig ka dyan.
Ito yung rifle.
Asaan?
Ito yung barrel.
Patingin, patingin. Ah, oo nga, no?
Ito yung
Hiwalay.
barrel. Ito yung mortar.
Ah, mount sabi niya eh. So, mount.
Oo.
Pang mount, ganon.
Ito, may, kasi to eh, mortar to eh. So, ang karga mo ng, ng bala pa isa-isa. Tapos boom. Tapos,
Asa siya brato
syempre,
to?
habang lalapitan ka siguro, may pambaril ka.
Mount lang siya, sabi mount. Pang mount.
Oh, ito yung rifle. Ito yung rifle mo. Para habang nagre-reload ka nito, may pambaril ka.
May pa isa. Grabe, no? Pang ano siya, no? Pang defense talaga, no?
Sinigan yan.
Wow, what a view.
10 to 30mm na machine gun.
Okay, jump!
Tapos nandito yung bala nila. Oo, Jetro.
Jetro.
Tapos ito yung pangkasa. Balik.
Ganda ng view. Picture tayo? Tara.
Ako, picture. But yeah, it's being transported to pick up goods.
Grabe yung walkway. Ay, no running. Baka may gumulong sa inyo.
Okay, dyan sa gilid.
Wow, ganda. Tinanggal na.
Sa baba may magazine parang may back. Ito wala.
Face out na.
No!
Mataraya daw, sabi ni Kuya Kim. See our guest pass. Oh, sarap ng hangin. Ay, sarap. Ganda. Woo! Hello! Bataan! Mount Samat! Hello, Mount Samat. Nandito tayo sa... Ito Mount Samat to, di ba? Bundok to?
Ito, Mount Samat. Ito buong bundok.
Nilagyan na ng kali, ganun.
I'm so tired.
Me, I'm tired also. Si Daddy, try Daddy. Gusto magpabuhat, ayan. Okay. Why did you go down kasi? You get tired mo. Doon ka na sa taas, bumaba ka pa. Oh. Did you understand me? Why did you still go down? Ah, we're here. At last. Then kids. Cross your legs. Cross. Ah. Are you tired, man? And thirsty? And hungry? What do you want to eat? Huh?
I want my mama. Nope.
What are you gonna do with your mama?
She has lips.
Huh?
Lips.
Slips?
Oh, lips.
Nips? Nips doesn't give you energy. Eat rice.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Jetro. Are you tired?
My slippers.
Mas madali bumaba.
Yeah, but my slippers are slippery. Oh, that's right.
Huh?
My slippers are slippery.
That's why it's called slippers. How about you, Jetro? What do you want to say on the vlog? Hello, vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Oh, come on. Bundok ng Samat. Sakop ng Pilar. Lalawigan ng Bataan. Ibinoon ang panukalang patuo sa pagtayo ng dambana ng kadikitingan sa panahon ng mahala ng Pangulong Ferdinand V. Marcos. Ang ganda, oh. Grabe.
No.
Why?
Is an elevator?
Meron. I got up there. Before. When I was in college. Me and my friends went here for a project.
Water.
Ay, lapu-lapu yata yan. Oh, lapu-lapu.
Lapu-lapu.
What did Daddy say?
That's called lapu.
Lapu? Lapu-lapu, di ba?
Oh.
Oh, ang ganda, oh. Yun, abot. Oh, malinis yung CR. Oh, diba? Malinis yung CR. Parang, why? How does it look like? Oh, you didn't want to go CR, ha? Automatic yung ano. Para ka nasa ano, City of Dreams. Oh, may tissue daw. Tingnan mo. Temperature. Automatic yata ito eh, naka-sensor. Another great view. Oh, sarap ang lamig.
After what comes next?
We're gonna eat. Are you hungry?
Yeah, are we in the restaurant?
Woohoo!
Is there a restaurant here?
Yes, there's a lot of yummy restaurants here. Salamat daw, City. Oo, salamat talaga. Going down now. Yung iba nandun sa baba sila Granny and saka sila Auntie Isles and Achi Maymay.
The wind's so noisy, I can't hear you.
Sakit sa tuhod talaga yung ano, sa tuhod ko yung stairs. Yung hawak, Achi, I cannot support you. Ay, I'll go ahead na lang. Ayan. Huwag mo kawakan, dito ka umawak. Ah. Dami yan, no?
The rocks are so scary, they're not even.
Maganda yan kapag umuulan kasi hindi madulas.
Huh?
Yung floor, oo.
Ganda.
If it's even, madulas. Floor. Ah! Ha? Hindi nga, yung sasakyan umaakyat doon. Uy, pansinin nyo kami! Uy, Meme! Ayan yung cross! Look at the cross! Smile! 1, 2, 3! Ayan na!
Woo! I did it, I did that, Mommy, the flowers are so
Ayun
pretty.
sila! Ay, the flowers beside them is nice also. Oh, yan. Ganda, oh. Ayun nakalagay. Death March. Honorable defeat and final victory. Ganda. Smile! Ano? Japanese annihilated at the Battle of the Points. Comrades in arms. Typical scene as a 15mm gun battery in action. Wow. 15mm gun. Hello, Mount Samat! Yun yung cross, oh. Mataas. The view! Jetro! Hi, Jetro! Jetro, mag-picture. As the historian.
Fighting me.
Ha? Mukbang. Pit stop.
Ang tawag dito na. Parang masaya ka dyan, ate, ha?
Mukbang. Ha? Nakabuka.
Pero mo?
Jetro, bus ka agad. Walang brain feed, brain feed.
Jordi, nasaan? Katablo ka tayo.
Suka. Ito, okay na.
Hindi mo, ano pangalan?
Toge. Ang ba toge?
Bantoge.
Stop.
Saan na ako kain?
Karne, karne.
Kaya pag bata talaga may size. Bata tayo may size. Bata ko dati, hindi ba si brown out kasi may ice cream.
Maraming ba ice cream doon?
Sulat dati, di ba? Ice cream. Oo, 5 pesos lang dati.
Dinner. Thank you. Hello, we are back home. Surprise natin si Jordan. Little something for Jordan. Jordan! Halika! So cute, no? It's yours. Alcohol mo, ha? Let me take a picture. Come here, come closer.